Can you add someone to your Walmart Plus? Today we are going suck about if you can add someone to your Walmart Plus. Suppose if you are two guys are two friends and you want to share one Walmart Plus. So how can you do that? So as you can see, I'm at the Walmart Plus, so there is no such option that you can share the Walmart. However, there is a thing that you can do in order to get the get port of the same account at the same time. So in order to do that, you simply have to know the login credentials of this account. Afterwards you just have to log out of your device, then you have to sign in to the same account on the same devices at the same time. Now what it will lose, it will obviously tell you a 2FA, or it will give you some verification code. You have to put the same code on the board of the devices, and there you go. Both of them devices will have same Walmart Plus account, which you guys will be able to use without having any problems. So that's pretty much it. That's how it will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.